Hello, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another review from one of my favorite skincare brands. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about Nivea. Yes, today we're talking about Nivea Naturally Good Skincare Lotion. This is actually a different line from Nivea, which is very natural. It claims is 98% natural, and the 2% that is unnatural is for the preservatives to keep the skin to keep the lotion longer. Of course, you can't make these things without preservatives. So I got this because it's like a dupe for Aveeno. If you know, Aveeno is another skincare line brand which produces very good quality stuff. I really love their skin lotion. It's very great for those with very sensitive skin and those with super dry skin. It moisturizes, it seals in the moisture, and it gives you, that natural glow. But this costs less. This Nivea kind of Aveeno costs less. Aveeno costs about 15 euros or around $16 or $17 for a lotion of about 300 ml. Okay, now those I got for 6 euros. How cool is that? Yeah, so it's basically like 2.5 times more. Okay, Aveeno costs like 2.5 times more than this Nivea, this dupe from Nivea. Now this also contains oatmeal. Aveeno products contains oatmeal. All their products, almost everything contains oatmeal. So this also contains oatmeal, and they claim it is 98% natural, and 2%, the 2% which is not natural is from the preservatives they put in the lotion to keep it longer. Yeah, so this is great for those of us who love natural products, those of us who are into very natural stuff. So this contains oats, okay, and oats is Avena in French. I'm not sure if it's French or maybe another language, but I think it's French. Avena. So this says is Avena natural, nutrients. This gives nutrients to your body. So basically, it's not just a basic moisturizing lotion. It also contains nutrients for your skin. It claims is for dry skin or very dry skin, which is very true. I usually like to use this during the winter. Yes, during the winter we are all dry. The weather is dry, it is cold, and your skin becomes prone to dryness. So this is great during the winter. Another reason I got this was, the bottle. They claim the bottle is 50% less plastic, okay? The bottle contains 50% less plastic, which is helping the environment. And as you can see, you can even squeeze the bottle. You can squeeze it. It's so soft. So you can even squeeze it. That's so cool. They've thought so much about the environment. Now, this is a 350 ml, which is more. Usually they have 250 or even 500, but 350 is not so small and is not on the larger side, so it's just cool. Now this is how it looks like. I must say this is very thick as compared to the Nivea skin lotions I use. This is super thick, but as you can see, it spreads easily. It spreads very easy into your skin, and it hydrates your skin very well. Let's talk about what it contains. It says it contains natural Avena, which is the oats, 100% natural oats. They have recycled the bottle as well, another good thing. And as always, Nivea claims this hydration effect stays on your skin for 48 hours. So if you don't shower for 48 hours, you are still going to be hydrated. You can see I have some videos on, the facial treatments with the oatmeal, which is very good. So if you're getting products and you see that it contains natural oats, is a good one, and you definitely need to try it. Now, let's talk about the smell. As they say, it doesn't really have any pungent smell. You know, Nivea products usually have that very sweet perfume, light, gentle kind of smell, but this smells like oats. It smells very, very natural, and I like it. You know, it's not a bad smell. You know, it has this very light and natural deodorizing smell to it, and it's a great idea. Now, they said you can use it to the very last bottom. You know, when you have a lotion, usually if the bottle is very hard, if the plastic is hard, you always leave about 10 or even 15% of the lotion at the bottom because you can't get it out. Unless, of course, you have to cut it with some scissors to get out the very last bit. But with this, since it's made of less plastic, as you can see, you can squeeze out the very last drop. So you're going to use everything. So you are not going to waste products, which is a cool thing, because I am very guilty of this. I usually buy products, you know, if it's a lotion in a hard plastic, I don't use everything. You know, it sticks to the bottom, it sticks to the side, and you can't use everything, end up throwing it away. But with this, you can squeeze out the very last drop. Now, what do I think about this product? Is it as good as Aveeno? Is it better or not? Now, I must say this product is very, very good. Very, very good. Just like Aveeno is a dupe for Aveeno. This is more. I mean, this is 350. Usually Aveeno is 300 ml. So you get way, way more for a lesser price. This does the same job as Aveeno. It's very, very hydrating. If you put it on your skin, it absorbs instantly. It doesn't sit on your skin. Your skin feels softer instantly. You can see it as soon as you put it on your skin is smoother, and it gives you that natural glow. So comparing this to Aveeno, I would say they do basically the same thing, just that this costs less and you can, you know, save some more money. So will I buy it again? Hell yeah, I'll be buying this again even during the summer, because it's hydrating, very hydrating, and it doesn't leave grease on your skin. It absorbs into your skin and keeps you hydrated without that excess oils on your skin. You don't need to mix it with butters or oils during the winter. It does the job without leaving your skin greasy. So basically that is it. Let me know, have you ever used this Nivea Naturally Good line? They have different kinds. They have aloe vera, they have, you know, this orange, sweet orange. They have different kinds of natural products. Okay, so basically this Naturally Good line is made up of 98% natural products. So if you love organic natural stuff, you can try this Nivea Naturally Good line. Let me know what you think. Have you ever used this? Did you like it? Didn't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.